Nokia 110, 111, 112 and 113 expected second and third quarter 2012. A set of 4 closely related and very low-cost handsets, the Nokia 110, 111, 112 and 113, are designed to bring low-cost internet access, gaming and entertainment to emerging markets and other consumers on a budget. All 4 handsets have a 1.8-inch 128 by 160 pixel color TFT display, a VGA resolution camera, FM radio, media player, a stereo wired headset in the box, some microSD slot, Bluetooth and GPRS and Edge data support. These are Series 40 feature phones rather than smartphones, but they support social networks such as Facebook and Twitter and will have up to 40 free EA games to download from the Nokia store. Of course, there's a web browser as well, optimized for the small display and relatively slow data connection. With prices starting at just €35, these handsets offer fantastic value for money and are especially appealing in those markets where mobile phones are the primary way of accessing the internet. Nokia will also make its Nokia Life tool available on these phones in India, China, Indonesia and Nigeria. All the handsets are slightly different from each other. The Nokia 110 is a dual SIM device with a hot swap SIM function and a 1020 mAh battery capable of giving up to 10.5 hours talk time and 26.5 days standby time in a handset weighing just 80 grams. This 110 is a GSM 900-1800 handset which should be available during the second quarter of 2012 for around €35 before tax. The Nokia 111 is a single SIM version of the 110 with a smaller 800 mAh battery capable of giving almost 8 hours talk time and 33 days standby. The 111 will be available either as a GSM 900-1800 or GSM 850-1900 device. It weighs 77 grams and it should be available during the second quarter of 2012, also for €35. A slightly different design cosmetically, the dual SIM Nokia 112 adds the eBuddy instant messaging application and a large 1400 mAh battery that can give up to 14 hours talk time and 35 days standby time. It's a little heavier than the others at 86 grams due mostly to the larger battery and should be available during the third quarter of 2012 for a price of €38 before tax and subsidy. The Nokia 113 is basically a single SIM version of the 112 with a smaller 800 mAh battery that gives almost 8 hours talk time and 33 days standby time. The 113 weighs 77 grams and should cost the same as the 112 but will be available in Europe and Eurasia only. All 4 of these handsets are very good looking devices, and if your primary needs are talking, texting and playing music, then these offer very good value for money. The exact models on offer will vary between markets, but this range of handsets should be widely available worldwide.